Every sunrise brings a new promise, a promise of purity, freshness, and care. At our farm, our journey starts with healthy, happy cows and buffalo, nourished with love and natural feed. From farm to processing, every drop is handled with the highest hygiene and traditional method, ensuring quality you can trust. Pure milk and delicious dairy products, crafted with tradition and tested for quality. We believe in sustainability, organic farming, eco-friendly practices, and a commitment to the environment. From our farm to your family table, we deliver freshness, health, and happiness every day. Our commitment for you is pure, fresh, organic, from our heart to yours.